Welcome to Nova. What if I told you a tiny email list could make you $1,000 a month on autopilot? That's exactly what I did using a simple but powerful email automation blueprint. In this video, I'll break down the exact steps, tools, and strategy I used so you can replicate it too. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more smart income hacks. Let's get started. When I started my newsletter, I had fewer than 100 subscribers and zero experience with email marketing. But what I lacked in reach, I made up for in intention. I focused on creating value-packed emails in a very specific niche that solved real problems. My target audience was overwhelmed professionals looking to escape burnout through digital income streams. Instead of going broad, I went deep. Every email included actionable advice, resource links, and short, punchy insights that people could apply immediately. This established trust quickly, which is key when monetizing a small list. Next, I built a simple lead magnet, a one-page fast start guide to making passive income with artificial intelligence. It didn't take long to make, but it resonated. I offered it in exchange for an email sign-up, and soon I had a growing list of people eager to hear more. I set up a landing page using ConvertKit, though platforms like Behave or MailerLite also work well. With a clean design and a clear promise of weekly tips, the conversion rate stayed high over 40%. Consistency became my secret weapon. I sent emails every Tuesday and Friday without fail. The open rates climbed above 45%, which told me my readers were engaged and trusting my voice. The turning point came when I added affiliate products to my emails, but I did it differently. I didn't just drop random links. Instead, I recommended tools I personally used: ChatGPT Pro, Pictory, Canva Pro, and a few digital products like Notion templates for YouTube automation. Each product came with a short story or personal tip about how I used it, which made the link feel helpful, not salesy. My first sale came from a $29 artificial intelligence planner, and that win gave me the confidence to double down. I created short tooltip sections at the end of each email, rotating affiliate products with real context. Soon, I layered in email automation. I built a 5-email welcome sequence for every new subscriber. The sequence introduced my story, the newsletter's mission, and a few of my most valuable past emails. Most importantly, it included soft calls to action with affiliate links embedded naturally. By the time new readers reached my live broadcasts, they already trusted me and had seen several helpful resources. This sequence alone started generating $200 to $300 per month passively. I also built out tags and segments. People who clicked on artificial intelligence tools got more tech-related content, while those who clicked on writing resources got content around content creation and monetizing newsletters. To increase monthly income, I introduced a $9 per month premium newsletter version. This included exclusive templates, early access to tools, and one-to-one question and answer opportunities. I marketed it gently, mentioning it in a PS once a week and showcasing previews. I didn't need hundreds of buyers. Even 50 people paying $9 added nearly $450 in recurring revenue. Combined with affiliate income, I had crossed the $1,000 per month mark by month 3, all with under 2,000 total subscribers. What made this strategy work wasn't volume, it was the system. A niche topic, value-first content, relevant affiliate offers, a thoughtful onboarding sequence, and gentle upsells. I didn't need viral reach or a giant social media following. Instead, I focused on helping a specific type of reader consistently and monetizing ethically with content they actually appreciated. If you're thinking about starting a tiny newsletter, this approach still works. You don't need to be an expert, just be one step ahead of your reader and be willing to share honestly. To grow the list from scratch, I created a free lead magnet, a single-page PDF called The Fast Start Guide to Artificial Intelligence-Powered Passive Income. It wasn't fancy, but it included actual tips and tools I had used to start automating income. I shared this guide on Reddit, small Facebook groups, and even in comments on YouTube videos. Slowly but surely, people began signing up. I used ConvertKit to build a clean and simple landing page. With a solid headline and zero distractions, I converted visitors at an average rate of 40%, which is well above industry norms. But growing the list was just the beginning. I committed to writing 2 emails a week every Tuesday and Friday. The Tuesday email was a short story or lesson, and the Friday email was more tactical: tools, templates, and tips. This rhythm kept me accountable and my subscribers engaged. My open rates hovered between 42% and 47%, and I started seeing replies from readers thanking me for being helpful and different from the typical salesy newsletters. I then focused on monetization. I didn't want to turn people off by being overly promotional, so I took a storytelling-first approach. I embedded affiliate links within stories. For example, I would talk about how I use ChatGPT to generate video ideas, then link to ChatGPT Pro. I recommended Pictory for video editing automation, Notion templates for workflow, and Canva Pro for design. I only promoted tools I had used personally and genuinely found useful. Because of that authenticity, readers trusted me and they clicked. One of my most profitable email formats became the Tool of the Week. Each week, I shared one digital tool that helped with automation, productivity, or content creation. I wrote a quick use case, gave a real example of how it helped me, and included my affiliate link. This format was simple but powerful. One email about a $29 planner I used to organize my YouTube automation funnel generated over $150 in commissions in one weekend. Once I had some momentum, I built a 5-part welcome sequence. This automated series introduced new subscribers to my backstory, the mission of the newsletter, and included 3 of my most helpful past emails. Each email included a gentle call to action and affiliate links placed contextually. Many people bought right in that sequence. That sequence alone now brings in $200 to $300 per month consistently on autopilot. To get more out of each subscriber, I began segmenting my audience. Those who clicked on artificial intelligence tools got more emails about digital automation. Those who clicked on writing resources got newsletters focused on content monetization. This simple segmentation strategy helped boost click-through rates and made my audience feel more understood. After 3 months, I introduced a premium newsletter tier. For $9 per month, subscribers got access to exclusive content, behind-the-scenes breakdowns of my funnels, early access to tools I was testing, and direct email question and answers. I pitched this tier softly, a small PS at the bottom of my free emails, occasionally showcasing the value of what they were missing. With just 50 premium subscribers, I added another $450 per month to my income. All of this happened without paid ads or a massive social media presence. The key was consistency, authenticity, and strategic monetization. I didn't flood my audience with offers. I led with value. Every email answered a question, solved a problem, or shared something new. Eventually, I began repurposing my content. I turned parts of my emails into Twitter threads and LinkedIn posts. That helped drive organic growth and brought in more subscribers who were already familiar with my voice. I also added a referral program using ConvertKit's built-in tools. When subscribers shared the newsletter with friends, they earned small digital rewards like exclusive Notion templates or bonus tips. Over time, the newsletter became more than a side hustle. It became a system. I had automated onboarding, a monetized welcome sequence, regular affiliate commissions, and recurring revenue from my premium tier. Even when I took a week off, the system kept working. That's the beauty of a well-built email funnel. If you're considering starting your own newsletter, remember this: you don't need thousands of subscribers to make real money. With the right offer, a clear niche, and content that resonates, even a small list can become a powerful asset. Start simple. Share what you know. Build trust. Monetize gradually. And automate wherever you can. It's not about hype. It's about helpfulness. That's the secret that turned my tiny newsletter into a $1,000 per month income stream. Email automation can turn even a small list into serious monthly income if you use it right. Which part of the blueprint are you excited to try first? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe to Nova for more tips on building passive income streams from simple systems. See you in the next one.